Are you dreading the hustle of registering that new business or already existing one? Don't worry, you can now register online at www.rgdeservices.com. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Register as a portal account user with your tax identification number and a valid email address. Now, log into the portal. Fill all spaces, including mandatory fields. Confirm details. Pay fees electronically using Visa, MasterCard, or mobile money. Generate your certificates and profiles online and print. Register your business online today. It's simple, straightforward, and stress-free.